we hold up those reefs. That holds a lot of responsibility. It's the glue to these islands. When the reef is down, most people will go to the sea, go somewhere else. I don't want people to leave this island. I know that life there, because I taste the life out there, I know it's good, but it's better to have somewhere to call home.
How are we going to adapt if we plan to survive it? Right? How many of us would like to just get up and leave now? Probably not. A lot of you said, we're going to go down fighting. I love that.
In the beginning of all of this effort, some 10 years ago, we've always kind of thought, science and community can inform each other.
All of our work is guided by communities and in collaboration with them. We host workshops where we have communities talk to us about what's valuable to them, what they need, what their issues are, what their challenges are. And then we can listen to that and we can talk as a science team and say, well, wow, this kind of science can really address that.
We are turning our boats into a laboratory. We are working with the local community to collect samples and gain insights about what might be happening on these reefs, not just from what our science is telling us, but from what they're seeing.
Management is very personal here. For example, I manage this reef, and the techniques that come with managing this reef was passed down in my family for generations.
Local and traditional knowledge is science knowledge. Combining them with a little bit of scientific insight and awareness allows this weaving together to create a stronger decision-making framework.
Unity and unifying energy around this is huge. What's happened this week has never been done before. Seeing so many people in there experiencing the same thing, but they choose to stay and focus on those decision makings and those planning, it kind of boosts my energy a little bit to, let's stay until we finish this. All of a sudden, this generation that otherwise has kind of been disconnected for a bit are now responding, and now you have them taking on the responsibility and the role, and really excited about their new understanding of science that supports the traditional system that otherwise they didn't understand before.
We're not just sitting and talking, we're moving right now. It's really making me so happy.
I think it created a great platform and sort of model for collaboration that I do think is going to move forward.
And we're not done. We're going to continue to learn, and the belief and the idea that we're going to continue to learn together has been really inspiring, I think, for the youth, and definitely, for me, the most rewarding.
My people, the history, the traditions, and the knowledge give me hopes for the future.